It's me again. Don't turn on. I'm gonna get a giant glare in my head. What I'm doing right now is I'll show you what I have. I have a problem with these glasses. I got new ones from the VA. See these ones? They gave me fancy Italian frames. Apparently they're more robust because you know when what do you call it? A dog. What do you call it? Bites you in the pants, and then what do you call it? Your glasses fall on the floor. You know, it's more. But anyway, they have a little. I'll show you here. They have a little crack right here. See a little. I don't know if you can see that. They're kind of broken, right? Right. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's right there. They have a little bit of a right here. So I'm gonna try something that every hack loves to use. JB Weld. I'm gonna put a dab of JB Weld on here, just a little bit to fill in that little gap, and then I'm probably gonna grind it out. I'm gonna put the JB Weld on now. While you watch me do that, and then I'll let it dry, and we'll see how that works. Right? We'll let it dry some. I don't know if the JB Weld's gonna dry in minus whatever the hell it is, but I'm gonna try. Because why the hell not? There's a reason why I want to repair these glasses, even though I have ones that are fixed. Because stop.
Sorry.
Actually, turn them on. There's a reason why I want to repair these glasses. Because see, I got a suntan. See my suntan? Turn it off.
Aww.
They're good. If these are actually the same prescription, so instead of wasting this prescription, why not use a little dab of JB Weld and see if we can fix it? Hey, why not, right?
That's wrong.
And if I don't succeed, I'll just throw them in the garbage. What?
That's wrong.
Oh, and I'll just, or I could be like One Eye Willie, see? I could just like walk around like this. Yeah, I could see. Worst case scenario, I use duct tape, but we're gonna try JB Weld. I've never done this, but hey, let me put this down. I've never used JB. Don't touch your glasses. Alright, now let's see. Surface to clean and dry and oil free. Just squeeze out equal amounts of each tube and mix thoroughly. 4 to 6 hours. Okay. Got an old thing here. Equal parts. So, plug that one. So, like this. Little dab of that one. Yabba dabba do.
Dabba dabba do.
A little bit there. Stop messing around, Kyle. We have the Joker.
I'm not swinging.
We have the Joker tonight.
What? You got to the Joker?
No, you're the Joker.
I'm not. You look like one.
Yeah, I look like a Joker.
But
Let's
you
get
got
a little.
red lipstick on.
Let's get a little mixing tool here.
I gotta swing. I gotta swing.
Look, Kyle. Whee! I don't know if I got equal parts here, but. Maybe I need some more white one. I always see it come out like gray. There we go. Remember, we're filming here, kiddo. So anyway.
It seem like we are.
Yeah, well, we are. Okay, it might be a little extra creamy because, I don't know, maybe it's cold. Oh. Okay, Kyle, stop. Stop messing around there. I'm going to try to put a dab on here.
I'm playing with my Barbie.
A Bobby?
Yeah, my Barbie.
That's
You're
JB
not
Weld.
supposed to say Barbie, you're supposed to say Barbie.
Bobby.
Yeah, you're supposed to say Barbie.
I'm JB welding stuff, okay?
That's
I'm doing some welding.
That's welding.
JB Weld. It's this gooey shit here I have.
That's creepy.
Well, it's might be creepy, but it might work.
It's scary.
It's not scary, it's just hairy. Let's see.
Oh, can I touch it?
No!
Why?
Because it's not for hands, it's for plastic, cement, all kinds of crap. It's not a hands-on thing.
What happens if I touch it?
You will turn into the abominable snowman.
Wow.
Yeah. If you touch it, it's going to get everywhere. Okay, is this lined up? Stop. Do I need to use vice grips? Maybe.
How long?
I gotta gotta somehow hold this in place.
Hello. Hello.
What I'm trying to do is get this thing to stay in place. If I put it like this, I'll just put it all on here. Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna hold. Stop, stop. It's not funny.
I'm not laughing.
Alright, I'll leave this somewhere for 4 to 6 hours. Ever repaired glasses with JB Weld? Maybe I'll be the first video in history to do something ridiculous like this. Let's see. I think I'm going to become the blob father. You leave it like that. Let's put it over here somewhere. Ow. Just stand there.
It's so cold.
Let's put this over here somewhere. Nobody will touch it.
Go to your house.
Alright, bye. Stop making weird faces.
Why not?
So anyway, in a follow-up video in the future, I will make a connecting video and attach these two together, and we'll see where that goes.
Yeah.
It's probably going to require a little sanding and stuff. I will skip probably that. Here's my little miniature screwdriver, dippy doodle thing here. Like I said, I've seen JB Weld. I've never used it before. I think I might have used it years ago, or I might have bought some and it went crappy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Want to see a magic trick?
Yeah, want to see me get a 10? Pull the switch. Ah, burn 10! Ah, through the vampire! Okay, let's say bye. Bye.
Bye.